If you're tired of tea leaves floating around in your cup, struggling with cheap teapots that crack after a few uses, or simply want a tea setup that actually feels special every time you brew, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. Today, we're taking a close look at the Kitchen Kite Glass Teapot Set and seeing whether it truly deserves a place in your kitchen or as a gift for the tea lover in your life. The Kitchen Kite Glass Teapot Set is designed for people who enjoy loose-leaf tea, blooming tea, herbal blends, or simply want a more enjoyable tea drinking experience. What makes this set stand out is that it doesn't just include a teapot. You get a complete tea experience right out of the box, including 4 double-wall glass tea cups, a removable stainless steel infuser, and even a few tea samples to get started. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is how clean and elegant the design looks. The crystal clear borosilicate glass gives it a premium appearance without feeling fragile. Because the glass is transparent, you can actually watch blooming teas open up and easily see how strong your tea has become. It adds a visual element that ceramic and metal teapots simply can't offer. The included double-wall cups are a nice touch. H2. They help keep drinks warm while remaining comfortable to hold, which is something you'll appreciate during longer tea sessions. Overall, the entire set feels thoughtfully designed and surprisingly well built for the price. In everyday use, this teapot performs exactly how most tea drinkers would want it to. The removable stainless steel infuser is deep enough to give loose leaves room to expand while keeping small particles from escaping into your drink. Brewing tea feels simpler. One of the biggest advantages is being able to see the brewing process in real time, making it much easier to avoid oversteeping. Whether you're preparing green tea, herbal tea, jasmine tea, or blooming tea, the process feels more controlled and enjoyable. Another practical advantage is versatility. The borosilicate glass construction allows you to use it on many stovetops, reheat tea in the microwave, and clean it in the dishwasher. That flexibility makes it easier to integrate into a normal daily routine instead of becoming another kitchen item that requires special care. Cleaning is also relatively hassle-free. The infuser removes quickly, and the smooth glass surfaces rinse clean without much effort. Of course, no product is perfect. One of the biggest strengths of this set is the value. Getting a teapot for insulated cups, a stainless steel infuser, holder, and tea samples in one package makes it feel like a complete solution rather than a partial setup. The visual appeal is another major advantage, especially for people who enjoy serving guests or gifting kitchen products. On the downside, glass requires more careful handling than stainless steel or cast iron alternatives. While borosilicate glass is known for heat resistance and durability, it's still glass. If you're someone who frequently drops kitchenware or needs something ultra-rugged, a metal teapot may be a safer choice. Also, those who only drink tea occasionally might not fully benefit from all the included accessories. Compared to similarly priced tea sets, the Kitchen Kite package offers impressive value. Many competing glass teapots include only the kettle and infuser, requiring you to purchase matching cups separately. Others offer fewer accessories while costing nearly the same. The complete presentation, combined with the quality materials and versatility, helps this set stand out in a crowded market. At the end of the day, the Kitchen Kite Glass Teapot Set is a great option for tea enthusiasts, loose-leaf tea drinkers, gift shoppers, and anyone who wants a more enjoyable brewing experience at home. It combines practicality, attractive design, and solid value in a package that feels more premium than its price suggests. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews. And if you'd like to check current pricing, availability, or customer feedback, you'll find the link waiting for you in the description below.